Aloha, food foresters. This is our laundry gray water pit that we dug. We filled it with gravel, and we also created this swale all the way down. So when we wash our laundry with ECO-ENZYME, and it's safe to put it into the garden soil. So this has been a great solution for us. And the ECO-ENZYME is also safe for the washing machine. It's safe for pipes. It's a really wonderful thing to have in the household. So I'm grateful that I learned about it and happy to share it with all of you.
Enroll in Food Forest University to learn the 8 steps to growing a permaculture food forest garden in your yard and experience the joys of food freedom, health freedom, and financial freedom. Click below for access.